Holy cow. When it rains, it pours. Coming out. Come on. So I got another 130 ton over there. There is more than that. I'm starting to put it in the garage and in the front porch. So I was working on that, and the dump truck driver kept bringing stone. And while the dump truck driver was in and out of here, Menard's delivery driver showed up. He has 3 loads. Here's load number 1, and I asked him to wait to come back because I have too much commotion. By the way, I have a windscreen over this GoPro. I'm probably way too close. Holy cow. All right, anyways, well, that was going on. I had an inspector, never seen this before, but he goes down and inspects the poles. So he was inspecting the poles, and then my I-beams arrive. I had to unload those with the tractor. They're right here. Problem is, it was a real long truck and he couldn't back in. So he had to stay here with the nose out in the street, blocking the street. The mail lady came by. There was some other traffic. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and try to get this last one off the tractor. Took about a good 25 minutes. Oh, I gotta take the dog into the groomer too. Okay, this is the before. She's modeling for us. And here she is after. The lion dog. Pretty smoothed out. A little more work, but not much. A buddy of mine, Matt, thank you, Matt, let me borrow that rock rake. Doesn't seem like much, but it makes a big difference over the bow rake that I've been using. I missed an excellent opportunity to catch some video as I filled in my garage. How much I had to fill here. So what I did is I got some kind of like a road base aggregate, and I built up these ramps so I could get my tractor in. check out this product. It's called Protecto Wrap. It's a sill sealer is what it is. So it's got the foam, but on the bottom it has like a butyl type of sticky, and it seems to really be sealing real well. I was short in a couple places of the premium sill seal. So what I have is your conventional sill seal. I'm going to put a couple beads of Trem Pro JS773 down, and then embedded in that. And then I've got a few tubes of the Tremco Dimonic 100 high movement, high performance polyurethane sealant. So this will flex when the house actually moves, and I should never have an air leak under the sill plate, which you energy nerds know that that's a pretty leaky spot on the house. So I think I'm going to mitigate that right now. Looking pretty good so far. I think it's going to be good, especially after I get that top bead. Actually, I'm going to do two top beads as well. I should have an airtight sill gasket.